No other window covering can enhance the beauty of your home as elegantly as shutters do. Discover timeless style and smart design with our Deluxe Faux Wood Plantation shutters. Our shutters combine affordable beauty and functionality for all living spaces, allowing optimal changes in your view, privacy, and light control. Now, let's explore all the options the Deluxe Faux Wood Plantation shutters have to offer. Choose from our two most popular and versatile colors, white and Swiss coffee, each paired with perfectly coordinated hinge finishes for a truly seamless look. Pick the perfect louver size in 3 or 4 inches to match your home's architecture and interior design. The 3-inch louver provides classic appearance that will complement windows with traditional or modern decor and is ideal for smaller to medium-sized windows. A favorite for larger windows and a contemporary look is the widely spaced 4-inch louver, which gives a great open view to the outdoors. Customize your installation with the Inside Mount Z-frame. This installs inside the window opening to create a decorative, overlapping trim that hides inconsistencies in the window and frames the view for a finished look. Inside Mount L frame. This L-shaped frame also sits inside the window. It offers a minimalist look and can be used if you already have trim or molding around your window. Outside Mount L frame is an L-shaped frame. The frame is mounted outside the window opening onto the wall, trim, or door, providing a surface to install your shutter. This mount is normally used if there is not enough depth for an inside mount. Pick the panel configuration that best fits your window space and functional needs. Select from single panel left, single panel right, double, or 4-panel. Hidden tilt, also known as rear full view, is standard and offers a unique rear tilt control system located on the outer backside edge of the louvers for a clean look and a wide open view. Grasp any louver to tilt for your desired light and visibility control. The center divider rail is optional and divides the louvers into top and bottom sections that operate independently and allows for more light control in the room. The divider rail is placed as close to the center as possible. For windows over 62 inches in height, the divider rail is required to add stability to tall windows. There's more than just good looks. This shutter delivers features with lasting quality. Our Deluxe Faux Wood Plantation shutters are crafted from polyresin, a durable engineered material that does not warp, crack, fade, or peel. Each frame features reinforced corner joints for added strength and lasting stability. On the surface, the patented WoodTex finish gives a soft look and feel of painted wood, not a plastic shine. Save on energy costs with advanced Thermacore technology. Our innovative hollow louvers and frames trap air to form an insulation barrier, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Moisture-resistant and easy-to-care-for features make this an excellent choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and high-humidity areas, as well as high-traffic homes. Simply wipe with a soft, wet cloth. If necessary, a mild soap can also be used. Enjoy a perfect fit with custom-made shutters that are designed for quick, hassle-free installation. Shutters under 48 inches wide are delivered fully assembled for added convenience. Designed with attention to detail, this shutter uses a concealed magnetic latch system to ensure the panels stay securely closed and neatly in place. These shutters are eco-friendly, flame-resistant, and free of paint and formaldehyde for a cleaner, safer home. Why choose the Deluxe Faux Wood Plantation shutters? These shutters are designed with modern living in mind. They offer a practical solution for homeowners who want the clean look of plantation shutters with added everyday benefits. Whether you're outfitting a new build or upgrading existing windows, here's why this affordable shutter is one of the most practical options today. They offer contemporary and durable features, unobstructed views with tilt-free design, privacy and light control made easy, low maintenance, and are a great long-term investment. Practical meets beautiful with our Deluxe Faux wood plantation shutters.